All right, Priyanka, hi, welcome. Amazing trailer. Congratulations.
मैं अगर दो just because I just want to take 2 seconds to say this is like Deepika said, पहली बार हम सब ये प्रोमो देख रहे हैं और बहुत काम किया है यार इस फिल्म पे and मैं वहाँ हूँ नहीं लेकिन ये एक ऐसी कहानी थी which really needed to be told and Sankita was bursting at his seams to tell it. And I'm so thankful that after seeing it, and I haven't seen a lot of Deepika and Ranveer's parts, but what a love story, man. You know, Bajirao and Mastani's love story is just, it's poetic. And I'm just so happy that I got to be an instrument in being able to tell that. Thank you, Sanjay sir. Thank you, Deepika, Ranveer, everybody. I have goosebumps right now because I really miss being.
पीसी मैडम एक बार वो गुरूर वाला डायलॉग
आप हमसे हमारी जिंदगी मांग देते, हम खुशी दे देते, पर आपने तो हमसे हमारा गुरूर छीन लिया.
ये बात.
Can I please say, all members of the media who are sitting there, who will support us or not, who like me or not, but maybe it is because I'm emotional, I'm सात समुंदर पार, लेकिन यार आप लोगों की भी बड़ी याद आ गई आज मुझे.
अभी यहाँ पे
बड़ा मिस कर रही हूँ मैं आपके एड्रेस को.
हाँ हीरो तेरे बारे में ही बात कर रही है. प्रियंका लोकल एसटीडी तो समझ में आ जाता है, आईएसडी में क्या माहौल है बाजीराव मस्तानी का?
वेलकम टू 21st सेंचुरी आलो. क्या कहूँ मैं आपसे कि इंटरनेट काफी चीजों को आई थिंक आसान कर देता है. I'm happy to be here. यहाँ पे भी बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है बाजीराव के लिए. मेरा my entire cast and crew is going to have a special screening. I think उनको तो कपड़े वपड़े चाहिए, नथनी पहन के घूमना है. They're very excited, the Quantico team. And even the response that I'm getting in America for Bajirao Mastani is very people are very excited. We were trending in the US all day right now before the trailer even came out. So I'm just, this is a part of history, but it is Sanjay sir's fictional version of the story of Bajirao and Mastani. So it's I think it'll be really wonderful to see how people respond to it internationally.
Yeah.
This film is definitely a part of history, and as you would see, Sanjay sir's and the production houses, like Nitin said, their clarification. This film is based on a book called Rao, and that is the author's version of what happened in Bajirao and Mastani's love story. So please look at it as a beautiful rendition of an epic saga told from the vision of Sanjay Leela Bhansali and nothing more.
Priyanka, can you hear me? Yeah, hi.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Priyanka, you know, so far you have looked the best in the film. My question is that, what was the most challenging part for you to do? I mean, every scene you are just mesmerizing.
Thank you. I really didn't have much of the hard work. It was Bajirao and Mastani, Deepika and Ranveer who had to do all the hard work. I just came on set, wore my nawari. That was difficult. Wearing an 11-yard nawari and all that real jewelry, I'm not really used to it. I think Deepika and Ranveer worked with Sanjay sir, so they used to keep telling me, you don't know, abhi aage dekho, kya hoga. But I think I came on set and, you know, said my lines honestly. Really, for me, I was experiencing the magic of creating another time. And I used to walk on set and feel like मैं किसी fairyland में आ गई हूँ. काशी विला से हमने शुरू किया था. काशी विला हमने नाम दिया है उसको, but it was Kashi's house. And शुरुआत वहाँ से हुई थी. And उन कपड़ों में, उस लहजे में, उस ज़बान में, everything just changed. It felt like a completely different atmosphere. So I had a blast doing this film, honestly. Challenges और मुश्किलें जो हैं वो I think रणवीर और दीपिका से
नहीं डे 3 पे क्या हुआ था जरा बताओ सबको प्रियंका, नहीं तो मैं बता दूंगा. देखिए 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 क्या करेंगे, साउंड इफेक्ट। प्रियंका से मेरी बात हो रही थी।
Alright, Priyanka, so firstly, congratulations. We loved you as Kashi Bai, but since we saw so much of grandeur, I really want to ask you that does Alex Parrish still feel a hangover of Kashi Villa or Kashi Bai right there?
Oh, now you just questioned my ability to do my job. No, not at all. It's my job as an actor to be able to differentiate between my characters, and I think over the years have been able to learn how to slip in and out of characters. जी हाँ, लेकिन मेरे लिए मुश्किल ये था कि एलेक्स के लिए मुझे अमेरिकन एक्सेंट सीखना था, एंड फॉर बाजीराव 300 साल पुराना महाराष्ट्रियन डायलेक्ट, तो उसमें थोड़ी सी मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई थी। वैसे भी मेरा बड़ा कंफ्यूज एक्सेंट रहता है, तो अब तो ज्यादा हो गया। But I think otherwise, for me, it's not very difficult to go in and out of characters.
Thank you, and we're loving Quantico.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. One last question, ladies and gentlemen, for Bajirao Mastani and of course
Hi,
Priyanka.
Deepika.
Sorry, I had a question
hi,
for
Deepika.
Priyanka because she's supposed to leave. So Priyanka, thank you first of all for joining us so late. I know the hour there must be really, really in the weed. So thank you so much for joining us at this late hour. The question is, in America, what is the kind of flavor that people are opening up to as far as this movie is concerned? Because of late, just last week when PRDP had opened up, it had actually opened up as with a bigger box office response than the Brad Pitt Angelina Jolie starrer By the Sea. So are people warming up really well, and are you taking the foray in terms of promotions in America? And by the way, this is Karmik Verma from ikarmik.com.
Hi Karmik, how are you? Very nice to speak with you. I think it is very important, and the globe is actually opening up to the idea of what Indian films are. There is a stereotype of Hindi movies that we break out into song and dance without reason. But I think it's about the education of people to understand what Indian cinema is really about. We come from one of the most prolific film industries in the world. We make about almost 900,000 movies a year, the country. And it's about educating the world that this is what the Indian film industry is. We may have a different language, but we are a force to reckon with. And the success of Quantico as well shows the power of the Indian film industry actually outside of America. Quantico's gone to, we've dubbed in 44 countries, gone to dozens and multiples of countries simultaneously, and that is a big testament to the power of Hindi cinema, because it went before the pilot even aired, because people knew me because I've done Hindi cinema. So there's a big warming up that's happening, and films like Bajirao Mastani, which are so epic and a quintessential testament of what Hindi storytelling, Hindi movie storytelling is. It's not silly, it doesn't take your intelligence for granted, and at the same time it's beautiful, it's epic, it's a celebration, it's tragic, it's dramatic, it's everything that Indian cinema stands for. So I think hopefully, yes, I am doing a lot of, in terms of promotion when it comes to international. So hopefully with Bajirao Mastani there will be an education of what Hindi cinema can be around the world. And I'm so happy it's happening with other films as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, Priyanka Chopra, big round of applause. Zoردar taaliyan, please.
I have a question.
Thank you, Priyanka.
Hi, Deepika.
I have a question for Priyanka, please. One
Deepika,
last
over
question.
here.
We've already, run out of time. We are running out of time, running short of time. So yeah, that's all we have. Thank you, Priyanka ji.
Thank you
एक
very
फोटो
much.
आपके लिए बोल रहे हैं, है ना? Thank you.
There is, with the Pinga song, there is a lot of comparison being drawn to Dola Re. What would you like to say on that?
देखा कैसे एन वक्त पे उड़न छू
Okay. I
No, I'm right here,
understand.
guys. Come on.
Very.
आए है कहाँ है
I
वॉइस ऑफ
understand.
गॉड
I understand.
बिग बॉस हाँ बोलो डोला रे डोला बोलो
No, I think कि दोनों बहुत अलग situations हैं और दोनों बहुत अलग scenarios हैं. Pinga is, I mean, obviously the comparisons will happen because it's two contemporary actresses working together, look dressed in Indian, Sanjay Sir's film. But if you put that aside and just see the scenario, मस्तानी और काशी जब डांस कर रहे हैं, मेटाफोर फॉर सेइंग दैट फॉर टुडे, आज हल्दी कुमकुम का फेस्टिवल है, आज के लिए हर चीज को भुला देते हैं, बस उस बात को याद रखते हैं कि we celebrate womanhood today. And that's what they do. They come together to celebrate their love for the men that they are absolutely in love with, and it happens to be the same guy. And I think that for that one moment in time, they've forgotten everything that happened between them, and it's Kashi welcoming Mastani to the folds of just out of courtesy of being a human and a woman, and being respectful of that. And I think that's a very big statement, just in terms of empowerment as well, that women need to support each other. And that's a very different scenario for us, so that's why I think they kind of didn't like
I
each
think
other.
she
They
said,
kind of like each other.
I understand why there is comparison. It's the same director. You have two heroines dancing together, which is probably not a very, very common thing. But in every other way, there's no reason for comparison. The situation in this film over here is completely different. Here it's a song of celebration, and I think she explained the entire situation to you. I mean, what more? But yes, I think we were very, very excited. We were very happy that we got this opportunity to shoot this song together. Priyanka is the first film person I ever met when I came in, when I had not even joined the industry, and she was already a huge star even back then. So she was the first friend that I made when I came in. And I have to tell you that we were so comfortable when we were shooting. It troubled
Much to Sanjay sir's disdain.
I was just gonna say, it troubled a few people because I think it went against what a lot of people thought it would be. I think people expected it to be there to be a lot of tension. I think they expected there to be a lot of, what is she wearing? What am I wearing?
Trailblazers.
Who's
It's in our
dancing?
DNA to break the rule.
So, and it was completely different. In fact, Sanjay sir would keep joking with us and saying, like, why can't you guys like just fight, or you also do pugdi from the van and come. So it was great fun. It was great fun. It was very difficult, and I think we've watched each other's backs when we were shooting this song. If there were steps that I found difficult, she would encourage me. If she found something difficult, I would encourage her. There were days when we both wanted to give up, and there were days when we both came in with the same kind of energy. So it's been a lot of fun, and I couldn't have asked for a better partner to do that.